Namaste friends. Today I want to discuss about the examination preparation and the pressure that we have during the examination time. Friends, as you already know that exam is the very important part of our life. It may be the exam of our curriculum or academics, or it may be the exam of our life. Today I want to say something about the examination that we give during the our academic life. Friends, it happens that there is curriculum for any examination, and we just study that curriculum. So we study that and we try to cover all the parts and then try to give the examination and try to perform. But before the examination we have pressure. For example, if we don't know anything else, then we also have pressure. But we know everything, then we also have pressure that which type of question will be asked in the examination, and which type of numericals or another question will be asked, how we have to respond. So sometimes we have the fear that we can I perform well or not, and sometimes it happens that we just perform well in the examination, but sometimes it also happens we fail to fulfill our expectation that we had. So friends, I think that first of all during the examination we should not think much more about the papers. We should not be much more attached that paper will be easy or difficult, but we have to just focus on the curriculum and our syllabus. We have to read our notes books, we have to cover everything from the book, and I think that if we do this, then definitely this problem that we have can be solved. But the problem comes from that fear. Yeah, I think it is just a practice. If you have fear today and you are also attached with the outcomes, then I think you should also have the fear tomorrow, so it cannot be solved. So I think that when we come in the post graduation or post graduation, at that time it happens that generally we are not attached with the marks, and we have just a minimum criteria that we have to score 7 CGPA, 8 CGPA, 9 CGPA, something like that. So at that time it happens that we just try to think about this and try to cover the syllabus according to that and easily score. But sometimes we fail. When we fail to score the our limited marks or the marks more than our limitations, then we also try to work much more hard work and try to compensate that in the upcoming semester. So then generally it happens. But generally it happens that we fulfill what we have. But sometimes it also happens. For example, I decided that I will try to score at least good marks, but according to my expectation I could not succeed to score, but still I am trying. What will happen I don't know. But I think that it did not give us much more point that how to score and how to not score. So I think that these are something that we have in our mind. So I think that during the examination we should be confident, and we should think that whatever we are studying, that will definitely from that syllabus paper will come. And I think if we have this type of mindset now, then definitely we can get much more benefits, and our problem that we have fear of examination will be solved. So this is the one thing. And I think that during the examination, for example, if something has been asked and we have not remember much more things, so it happens that we fail to memorize that things completely. So we write something generally, and this is our perception that if we don't know anything else, we have to write something in the paper. So we also do that, but generally it happens that if we have written wrong and our teacher know very well, then definitely we will get the 0 marks. So I think that it's okay to write something, but if you know it know in if we don't know anything else, then to make any random guess, I think this is not good things, because we are making fool to our teacher, which is not good things. And I think that these are something that I want to discuss, and I think that we should be confident and we should keep on doing work, and definitely the fear of examination will be solved, and we should discuss all these problems to friends. And I think this is the only one things I wanted to discuss. So thank you friends, thank you.